Hello friends, welcome to RK Tutorial. In this video, we are going to write code for registration and login. Sorry, it is not a single video. It will be a series video, and in series video, I'm going to include a registration of the user login, and which includes session, creation of cookies, hashing of passwords, and so many techniques, activation link via email address. So let me show you how it works. Let me create something like Rahul. Okay, fine. And here is the email address we need. Let's say rahul@gmail.com. So when I focus out from this input box, it will run a Ajax function, which will show here a loading effect, not refreshing of the page, and then decide this email address is in our database or not. So just focus out, so loading, and it will say okay. I can register with this email address. And if something wrong with the email address, like if someone given a wrong symbol in the email address, like question mark, so it's a wrong email address because email address never contain a question mark. It includes numbers, underscores, dots, anything, and selection of gender, male. And if I have give my email address which is already registered, like my own email address, so, and when I focus out from here, so it is saying okay, because okay, I have created my register. Okay, let me create the one. Okay, and okay, I can select the country, India. Languages, I know English, Hindi, Urdu. And passwords will be register. So it has an alert function. I have given an alert function. I will remove it. Email sent successfully. It is saying the activation email has been sent in this email address. So we have to activate. And here is our verify page. As you can see on the URL, verify email PHP. So here we can write message for him. Just go to your email address and click on the activation link. Then his email address is activated. And for this, let me show you what happened in database. This is the database, and okay, social tools. So you can see here, here is the username Rahul, email address Rizwan Khan, this is my email address, and password, this is the hash algorithm, and gender, languages, and sign up date, activation code. This is the activation code. This is the activation code, and this code is sent by me to the user's email address to activate. And this activation is 0 when she will click on this given link. Then this will be this column will has 1 for the activation. If it is 1, means user is valid. If it is 0, means user is not verified till. And so I already created. Now try with the same which I have already registered. This is my email address. If I try once more, so it says sorry, email address already exists. Okay, fine. This is saying email address already exists because I am already registered with this email address. I can't register again with the same email address. So I need to change my email address, like my test email@gmail.com. So it is saying okay after loading. So it is and you will see, and I will show you the validation, how we can validate the user input fields. And there is some kind of regular expression to validate the username, to validate the email. First of all, I will The first step is our database. So we have to create a database. So to create a database, just think our name for database. What is the name of database? My TV, my social database, my social TV. Okay, this is a database created. And we are not going to create table from here. We will write SQL queries for the creation of table. This is my first index page. You can see here. I'll show you everything about this. Just let me create first the table. So save it as tables.php. Save it and let me zoom it. Okay, we need a connection. It's just a temporary connection. Mysqli connect, and we need local host. This is our server name, localhost, username root, password I have no passwords, and it is my_social_db. So this is our database connection, and if connection is not happening, so it will echo error in connecting, and dot mysqli_connect error connector else echo connected. Save it, copy file path, localhost. So you can see connected means our database is connected. This is not related to our the code of this table.php is not related to our main registration code. This code is just for creation of our table. So $scale equals to create table if not exist. This is the code exist, and now we need some columns. So first column will be ID, type of this integer 11, initially not null, and auto increment. Auto increment, okay. Increment, I hope spelling is correct. Auto increment. ID second will be user name, voucher, size will be 255, maximum not null, and user email, voucher 255 not null. This is the third column, username, user email, and gender, and here voucher, and I think not voucher, sorry. So gender has two options, like enumerated value, enumerated, and the first value will be M for male, and second value will be female, not null. And what gender, and then okay, languages, what languages, languages voucher, and this is 100, not null, and password voucher 255, not null, and what sign up underscore date, when did he sign up, so sign up date, date time, not null, and last, when he last log in, so date time again, not null, activation, okay, let's write simple activation code for him, voucher 255, not null, this is activation code for him, and we are forgetting anything, let me see here, name, email, gender, country, yeah, country, and languages, so we are forgetting country, voucher 100, not null, okay, country not null, and primary key, we need a primary key will be our ID, and we also need a unique key, unique key will be, ID is already primary, so unique key will be user email, this email will be email, this is user unique key. So these are the SQL query to create table. So let me execute the query, $query equals to Mysqli underscore query $connection, $query, if $query, if this query executes, will echo, okay, create table if not exist, we have to give the name of the table, user underscore info, this is the name of table, user info, so create table if not exist, user underscore info, echo table created, save it, now run the while, okay, undefined variable query is undefined variable, Mysqli query, SQL, now run this, okay, you can see here table created, now let's refresh, here is our MySocialDB, and this table we have created now, blank, okay, this is a ID, auto increment, and primary, you can see the primary key, and user email, which is also primary, enumerated gender, male or female, and sign up last activation code. So this is this is all about the SQL queries and table, and in what we need to do in this video more. Okay, let's create the first step of our database. So as I started object-oriented programming, so class and name of database, save it, name it db.php, save, and the first function, okay, write it like, okay, fine. So database class, okay, define host, okay, host will be localhost, and just copy this. Okay, host, second will be user, third will be password, and fourth one will be database. So user will be root, localhost, and lang password. Database will be my social, let's go db, my social database. So let me give the comments for this. Database constants, database constants, so these are the constants of database. And okay, we do not need this, public dollar connection, and this arrow connection equals to Mysqli, so connect. So first one will be host, comma host, and second one will be user, third one will be password, and fourth one will be db. You just, if you're going to upload anytime your files on the server, then everything will be same. You just need to change the constant of your host, user, and password. You just need to change the constant. No need to disturb the classes. If not, follow this arrow connection. If it is not connect, echo connecting error, and Mysqli underscore connect. Error, connection error. Okay, use another error. Else echo connected, and give the name database and another class we don't need. This is our first class, object of database class dollar object equals to new database. So db dot, you can see here it's connected. So for this tutorial, for this video, this is enough. Meet you in the next video.